I started this journey of saving with my child, and for me, I am saving for an emergency fund, and for him, he is saving his allowance. And this is something that I'm focusing on this year because I want my child to get the principles of saving and also to be able to handle money better. So I go to my Franc app. If you do not have the account, you can just go to the video description or my link tree and click. And then I've selected click deposits, and after clicking deposits, it will ask you to enter the amount. So I'm going to start with mine, where I am saving in my emergency fund. So they will ask you, where do you get the money? So for me, I got this money from Red.pay app, and it is going to my emergency fund. So as I continue, it will ask me to connect to my bank. If you want to change the bank, you can just click at the bottom, and then you will change it to the bank that you are currently using. So as you can see, I'm using Capitec, and now it will ask me to confirm. So in my Capitec app, when I open it, already it will have this payment listed, and I can just approve. So now that I am done, can you see that my money has increased from 1.7 to 2.1? Now let's move on to the second one, which is my son's account. So remember, he is saving this money at the moment is 543. So you click the account and click make deposits, and it will take you to the same page where you select to the banks. You specify the amount, and then it will ask you, where did you get the money? For him, it is his allowance. And then you finalize the deposit. You connect to the bank that you want. And after connecting to the bank, it will send you an OTP to confirm the transaction. And then it will finalize the payment. And now we can go back to the accounts. So now when you go back to the account, you see that now his account has added 130, which is a good thing. And the fees are also less. So can you see now that he's able to show something